Hello, it's Paul. I want to give you a quick introduction today to ConvertKit. It's been on my radar for a long time. I've been using it for 6 or 7 weeks now. I really like it. It's really easy to use. And when it comes to marketing, automated email marketing, and sending out, sequences for somebody buys something off you or somebody signs up for your newsletter, it's really easy to set up. So if you're doing some sort of funnel launch or anything like that, it's a really cool kit to ConvertKit to use, right? So I'm going to walk you through it. This is not a full tutorial. This is introducing how it'll work. What I'll do is I'll put a training course together for free on my website that you can join to go deeper into training. But in this, I'm going to introduce you to all the features, the things that I like, to give you all the answers to think that you're thinking about signing up. Before I start, though, it's always really good for me. I'll do one of these videos every year now. If you can just pause me at this point and tell me why you're here, what you're watching for, and what you're trying to learn, it gives me the ideas of what who you are and what you want. I can reply to the comments. I might have a more specific video that I can give you a link to say here's that answer, or I'll create a video for you. But if you just pause, tell me where you are, tell me why you're here and what you're hoping to learn, and then we'll get straight into it.